Hi everyone. I just want to clarify and start out with something that's very, so we have a kind of a baseline here with it. I'm in the browser, the virtual desktop with it. This desktop where it says Dallas College, this could be on all black or it could be with a desktop that has a Dallas College on this thing. And I'm in the web browser right now with it. But I want to point out this is that there is, if you're using the virtual desktop, this taskbar and the search right here, this is the one that's on Windows 11 right here. That's what you have that I just clicked in. And the other one that I have here is the one that's in your workstation. So don't be confused between these two taskbar with it. I have a Windows 10 I'm running here with it, and this is my workstation. This one is the one that's in the web browser. So maximize everything. Your browser, so you are working everything inside of this, including open up all the assignments and module needs to be inside of your virtual desktop, your OneDrive, etc., etc. So how do I know my OneDrive is connected? If you look at your bottom tray, make sure there isn't a line that comes across with it. If it's not, you need to log in and connect to it as well with it. So just to give you, there should be no line on here, a cross line with it. If there's an icon that shows there is a line that's crossed, meaning that you are not connected to the OneDrive. So make sure you are connected to the OneDrive at the system tray at the bottom right here. All right, let me talk to you about the other thing is that I have visual code that's pulled up right now. And what I like to do is to point out what you are looking at with it. So here's what this assignment does with it. So before we open up the other one is make sure you have the live server. This is the visual code. Make sure you install the live server in here with it. It's by Redwood Day. Make sure you have that installed before you move forward with all the stuff with it. That's the only way you're gonna open up the web browser inside your IDE with it as well. So I want to turn your attention to this part right here. This is the part where your assignment is going to dictate to it. Let me maximize this so you can see what you're trying to achieve here with it. So I broke this down to about 3 tasks with it. Let me magnify this. So the first is the symmetric table, task 1. All right, and I'm going to walk you through basically. You're creating as a symmetric table. We all know this is 4 rows and 3 columns, right? So I gave it just some table header and some table data that's inside of this right now with it, right? So this is a simple table coding that I'm going to walk you through the HTML. The second one, I'm going to provide you the code because I can't do too long on these recordings with it. So I need for you to code and understand what is the column span. So with this right now, for example, header spanning 2 columns, meaning 1, 2 column I'm spanning across in this particular table header, and this is the table header C. So you're going to see in the code, this is what it looks like. So this one is the data spanning of 2 rows here, all right? And I'm going to walk you through the coding for that as well. This last row right here is data D and data spanning 2 columns. So it spans this column, A2 and B2. I just gave it kind of a fictional name. So to get you to understand how to do this with it, I'd like for you to go in at this time. By the end of this exercise, you need to code the HTML part of this right here and make your table to look like this. This is what I like for you to do with it. So it's a similar concept, but apply what I just demonstrated from task 2. Apply that to task 3. All right, how do you span a particular table with it? All right, so again, that's just a really brief synopsis of what takes place here with it. Let me pause the video right now, and then I'm going to pick up part 2 of this particular module. All right, so I'm going to stop the video. This is the end of part 1.